I even thought about it too. I said, should I take that off? Should I take that off? I was like, nah, I'll be alright. It was not alright at all. I'm ready. I can't remember what these are, but yeah, all of it. Yeah. Yeah, we are here. And welcome back, everybody. It is hot as, but we're still gunning. Miss you guys, love you guys. Thank you for your support. I hope you guys enjoyed last vlog. It is very hot right now. You can see I'm sweating. But let's update you guys on Tonka and install some pretty DownStar stuff. So we got the front end installed. I'll show you these. I made floating headlight supports / bumper supports. They're not finished yet because I don't have my hood pins. I'll complete it and then paint them once I get my hood pins. But I also made a battery tray with a lock-in bar. Got the dash in. Let's start this vlog. Woo! So here's our fitment. He will look something like this whenever he's all said and done. Here is our battery. I'll show you guys that after I pop this hood and we check out the headlight supports. Yes I did. I used Gunner's dog leash to hold this hood up and the garage. But anyway, here's our floating headlight supports. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, whenever I tend to just weld and not vlog, I update my Instagram quite a bit. So you may say this 19's overkill. Yes, it is. You need like a 10 or a 12. A 12 probably the max. But the thing about these are, the holes were already there from OEM. Why not utilize it rather than make a new hole right here? I just thought I might as well use it. There's no point of not using it. I like them. They're not done. I need to get my hood pins, like I said. So hood pins will be about right here. I'll weld a tab right here on both sides and complete them. Paint them. Call it good. Alright guys, so take it off the front bumper. I am currently still using these. At the moment, I might end up rib nutting each fender to make it easier. Or maybe buy some quick latches. Quick latches, just press a little button and then undo these tins. And it'll make it so much faster to work on Tonka. So we're out the track. Time's precious. We're trying to hurry up and get out there. Boom. Bumpers off. For whatever reason. Or if you just want to maintain them. And then do not leave these on. I almost messed up this headlight because I was working on this side. I left this tab on. Grabbed my belt. I bent this bracket down. Just this little piece, thankfully. And it was not, it was, I even thought about it too. I said, should I take that off? Should I take that off? I was like, nah, I'll be alright. It was not alright at all. So, undo that 10. Say we want to run no bumper for some reason. Boom. And it even just pulling the motor and transmission out. This is so much more room. You don't have to lift the motor up above everything, and you don't need to pick the car up above everything to scoot the motor up. Say with a normal 4 support. Boom. That's done. Let's get to the battery. Alright guys, so I really like this. I can't emphasize more. It's lighter, cleaner, and I made it. I'm not the first one to ever make one. I'm not saying that. But I'm so proud of myself doing this. But let's get to the battery. This lock bar right here. I made this box so snug that it's not moving. It's not gonna fly out that way. And then once you undo this bar, which this bar is really light, there's just these 2 bolts. Say the battery went bad. That. Hold this. Boom. Put this to the side. That weighs close to nothing. Slide the battery out. Put this battery. It's a lip. You have, I think I measured like 1 inch to put on the bottom platform. Slide it in. Pause. And then it's still a snug fit. But so the battery doesn't slide forward, you put this bar back on. Alright guys, so here's this up close. If you guys are new to the channel, I teach everything I can. I don't hide anything. I try to show every step. My battery tray is simple. Very first set I ever made. Same thing with the floating headlights. All this is pretty much brand new to me. I've never done spherical. I've never done an entire build like this. I think I'm doing a decent job. Alright guys, now to interior. I have something for the inside for the door handle. We'll have that in a different vlog. But here's my dash. Let me sit in here real quick. We have our race spec switch panel. It's not hooked up. I just have it mocked up. Our dash is in here, but it's about to get taken out. I still have to run headlight wiring and stuff like that. So none of these are hooked up. But fuse boxes and everything are pretty much set where they're supposed to be. This cluster used to be in Goku, but now the SIR cluster is in Goku, and then I had this lying around. We don't have money for an AEM, so eventually we'll upgrade to AEM, but right now that'll work. I'm gonna go grab a drink real quick. It's pretty hot in this garage. And I got a motherfucking juicy juice. Cheers. Now I got water. Now that we're all caught up with Tonka, let's just cut to the chase and get to what we all came here for. Pause. Please pause. DownStar billet firewall plugs. The whole kit. Aluminum, CNC'd to perfection. And it's going to dress up this engine bay. Probably not the first one to install these, but as you know, each step I try to bring you guys along. So, it's simple. These two go together, these two go together, and these two go together. The bolt side, you put on the inside of the car, and you just leave this shiny piece right here on the outside. The thing about these are, they're really, really nice. Alright guys, so the lighting does kind of suck because the hood's on. So I cut these open. And it does help out because since these are raw aluminum, with the light, the shop light hitting it, you guys probably won't be able to see much. So, let's start with one of these. It's just me by myself. You could have a friend help you, or you could use tape. So like I said, this goes on the outside, and this goes on the inside. Or I guess you could switch it around if you want to have the bolts facing outwards. Pretty much just preference, but all I'm going to do, take a piece of tape, make sure it is facing upwards so I don't have to undo it. Tape it right here. And then go inside with these two. And then the back plate with the holes. And then these are a size 4. I'm trying to get it to where you guys can see it. Anyway, it's a size 4 Allen head. And they're installed. So, I just put an X on each one to hold it in place. Let's take these off. Come on. That was probably the dumbest thing. Come on. Come on. Come on. Sounds like I'm talking to Gunner right now. You mother... There they are. Doing exactly what I wanted to match the billet. Line up the engine bay. Let's turn this light on. Engine bay is a little dusty, but it looks so good. Shout out to Frank DownStar for making these billet pieces. And then underneath the dash, this one's over here. I had this light going. Let's see if we can get it. There it is. Right there. And it's out of focus. Of course. And these two over here. Why is focus being so crazy? There we go. And this will conclude this video, everybody. Quick vlog. Just wanted to update you guys real quick. I hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe you learned something. Maybe you didn't know how the billet plugs went in. Maybe you guys got an idea of how to make your floating headlights. Maybe a battery tray. Who knows? But stay blessed. Stay slanted, most importantly. Stay hydrated. It's summertime, guys. But most important, keep gunning. Catch you guys next time.